Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code and in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step by understanding error code. In Battlefield, the content error code in Battlefields typically indicates a general connectivity or server-side issue preventing the game client from establishing a stable connection with the game servers. This error message often appears when the game fails to authenticate with the server, experiences a timeout during connection attempts or encounters an unexpected server response. It usually points towards problems outside of simple in-game bugs, often relating to network stability, server availability, or corrupted local game files hindering server communication. Step: verify Battlefield server status. The first crucial step is to ascertain if the problem lies with your connection or with the game's servers. Check the official Battlefield server status pages, the help website, or the official Battlefield social media accounts, Twitters, for any announcements regarding server outages, scheduled maintenance, or widespread issues. If the servers are down or experiencing problems, no local troubleshooting will resolve error code, and you will need to wait for the developers to resolve the issue on their end. Step: perform basic network troubleshooting and game file verification. If server status indicates no widespread issues, the problem likely resides with your local setup. Begin by restarting your router and modem to refresh your network connection on console or via the game launcher, App, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox. Clear your platform's network cache. Simultaneously use the game launcher's built-in verified game files or repair function. This process scans your Battlefield's installation for any corrupted, missing, or improperly installed files that could be interfering with the game's ability to connect to servers. Step: update game client drivers and operating system. Ensure that your Battlefield the game client is fully updated to the latest version. Game developers frequently release patches that address connectivity issues and bugs. It is also vital to update your graphics drivers, NVIDIA and Intel, and your network adapter drivers to their latest versions, as outdated drivers can cause unforeseen compatibility problems and network instability. Furthermore, confirm that your operating system, Windows, PlayStation, or Xbox is fully updated, as system-level updates often include network and security enhancements relevant to online gaming.
Step: reinstall Battlefield or contact EDIS support if error code persists. After exhausting all previous troubleshooting steps, a complete uninstallation and clean reinstallation of Battlefield might be necessary. This ensures that any deeply corrupted files or installation issues that weren't caught by the verification tool are entirely removed and replaced with a fresh copy as a final resort. If the issue continues even after a clean reinstall, gather detailed information about your system specifications, network setup, and all troubleshooting steps you have attempted. Then contact help or DIS customer support directly for further assistance.